All right, 2021 Tech Active paper, question 14. Now this is a Leslie matrix question. What a good one. The Tasmanian thornbill is a species of bird that has an average lifespan of 3 years. The female thornbills do not reproduce in their first year, but produce an average of 4 female offspring in each of their second and third years. The survival rates for each of this group is estimated 25% for their first year, 30% in their second year. A Leslie matrix modelling this population distribution of Tasmanian thornbills has been partially completed. Now we know in our Leslie, we've got to find the values of X and Y. Remember, these are our birth rates, which they said was 4 each year. These are our survival rates. So 25% and 0.3. So we're going to go X is 0.25, Y is 0.30, because that's our 20% and 30%. That was just a 1 mark question, so quite straightforward, putting our survival rates in there. Part B is 4 marks, so it's a bit more to work out. At the start of 2021, a study began into the population of thornbills. So 2021 was our start. The study estimated that the initial female population, so I'm going to write this down as my initial female population, is 510, 480, and 420. Okay, you actually get 1 mark for having written down the initial population of females. Now it's found that the ratio of males to females was approximately 1:2. Okay, that will be important, that it's not 50%. Often in Leslie matrices we assume it's 50-50. It's not in this case. We want to find the total population, so total meaning male and female population of thornbills at the start of 2025. So from 2021 to 2025 to 2025, that's going to be 4 years, isn't it? That's what we're looking at. So we want to find P4, which is going to be L4 times PO. Is where we want to go with this. So how are we going to go? We're going to jump on our calculators and we need to enter that in. So I'm going to go MathVec, and I've got a 3 by 3. So it's 0, 4, 4, oh, that'll be a 0, 0.25, 0.30. So that is my Leslie matricing. And I'm going to put that to the power of 4. Then I'm going to multiply that by my 3 by 1. 510, 480, and 420. Oh, sorry. I forgot to go down, didn't I? You just need to be careful when you're working quickly, isn't it, that you're pressing things correctly. Now that gives me 2166, 938.25, 81.45. Doing that calculation would be a point. So for our things, we've got our total females in 2025 will be 2166, 938, and 81. We would need to round off, don't we? So that's going to give us approximately, let's go over here, 2166 plus 938 plus 81. 3185. So that's our total females. Again, the way we're working through this, you would get a mark for that, you get a mark for that, you get a mark for that. But this is a 4 mark question, and we want total population. Now, how they determine it is that male to females was in the ratio of 1:2. So males to females is 1:2. Now, in this situation, that's saying females are 2/3 of the total population. So 2/3 of the total number is 3185. So my total number will be 3185 divided by 2/3, 4777.5. We need to round off, don't we? So we're going to say total population 4778 is my total population at the start of 2025. And so that's where your 4th mark comes from to find that total population. And that is question 14.